oublies-tu d'en avoir? C'est en sens ce que j'aime t'embrasser. Plus tu m'aimes, plus je t'aime, plus j'aime t'en.
Let's make some dragon fruit smoothie. I put 1 banana, 1 papaya, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 cup of soy milk, and then when you blend it, it's just so pretty. Look at that. And then I got my favorite mason jar, and I also topped it with some hemp seeds and some raspberries. Enjoy!
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and they like that. When you get it up, you deep inside that kitty cat. Kitty cat, losing focus, she's like Fetty Wap.
Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la dejé vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la dejé vivir así.
Here's what I ate in a day. I start my morning with some hot lemon water with dash of agave syrup. For breakfast, I made some pistachio croissant French toast. It tasted real good as it sounds. Then for lunch, I made some spaghetti aglio e olio. Super simple, but so delicious. By dinner time, I was craving something spicy, so I made some cauliflower kimchi fried rice with just egg. Some Korean restaurants call this a volcano kimchi fried rice, so I had to try it at home.
Is you fuck it? 2 shots, fuck it.